Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we're going to be working on our 06 Honda Element. And I'm going to show you how to take the taillight out and change your bulbs. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So you open up the tailgate to access the rear. The mounting bolts are located here. So the two mounting bolts here are 8mm socket. We're going to take those right out. Now with firm hands, you're going to grab it down here on the bottom and right here, and you're just going to pull it towards you. Hope we don't find the resident of that. I'm looking. No surprises. So now we're going to disconnect the electrical connectors. And that's these plastic ears right here. I'm going to fish the harness through. And I'm going to turn this bulb in the socket. The reverse light is a 921 bulb, and you just line the prongs up, push it in. So here we have the stop or running lights, and this bulb is gotta see the black soot on it. It's because one of the filaments is burnt out. So you just pull on it firmly. So just grab it, pull it out firmly from the pigtail, and that is a 7443 bulb. And I have a replacement. See how it's all clear? There's no darkness to it. I'm just going to grab that and line up the tabs and push it in. And here we have the turn signal bulb. It is an amber bulb, and it's a 7440. And that is the same way. Line the tabs up, push it back in. I'm going to put in the brake light / running lights first. I'll line up the tab. It's an oval shape. Look at that. I've never quite seen one of those. It's got an oval shape to it and some slotted tab. There we go. And turn clockwise. Here we have the reverse light. It's got 3 ear tabs to it. Line those up. Turn clockwise. And then the last bulb is the turn signal bulb. That is another, like a triangle oval shape. I'm going to line up those tabs. Turn that clockwise. Once they're all locked in, I'm going to run these wires back the way they had them. Perfect. Let's guide this plastic push pin right in the spot. Make sure we're over the lip. So it doesn't snap in, it just holds it there. I've got 2 mounting screws. I'm just going to snug it up, make sure it's holding it. Then put the bottom bolt in. Once it bottoms out, I'm just going to give it a 1/4 turn. It is plastic. It could snap if you over tighten it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.